My name is Cali. I was born and raised here in Hawaii in a Mormon household, so being a family and coming together is a big thing for us. I started school after I started working at Roy's because all my coworkers were talking about the experiences they had in culinary school. And we started talking about which culinary program to go to, and Leeward was the best fit. They care about you. They're going to teach you to make sure you know the best way to do stuff or like other ways to do things. It was more family-like than it was teacher and student-like. And I really like that more because that's the way I learned from my grandma. When I first started working at Roy's, there was a lot of questions or things that I didn't understand. It's taught me how to work better as a team with people that I'm just meeting or just cooking in general. It just taught me all the little things. If someone asked me, I would just say, just do it. When you say yes to these things, you get more experience and you get to see more of this world and you get to meet people you never would have thought to meet, or I wouldn't have the job I have now if I wasn't in the culinary program. So if someone were to ask me, I would just say do it, because you don't want to look back and be like, she done it. You can actually say, well, I did it.